all the main sides and edges and tops are marked up, front, bottom, back, top, left, etc, etc, in a way that they won't be seen when it's fully assembled. The starting point is a left and right side and a piece which is marked bottom, and that piece which is marked bottom goes over the sides. The sides don't drop onto the bottom, it's the other way round. The bottom drops onto the sides. Just carefully work that down to the bottom, to that position there. Next, the back slides into two channels which you keep the sides just slightly sprung open until that reaches the bottom. It's probably easier done with two people, but that's how that goes. There's a channel for every one of those side pieces there. The next stage is to put the mid-story in. That's done by holding the back corner on one side and easing that side out to allow the corner fixed on this side and the corner fixed on the other side to all slot together. So when that's up and running like that, those two side pieces are in there like that. Top left, bottom right, top right, as based on looking from the front. So the bottom left slides into the groove down this side and pushes right to the back, and the same thing over here. The bottom right pushes into a little slot there, pushes right to the back. That's now firm now. Next thing is to put the shelf top on. That's also marked up. Bearing in mind the door is going to hinge on the left hand side as you look at the front. So there's a hinge point there and a hinge point there. This now drops over in the same way as the base dropped over. And that goes down to that position. Having got the top down, slide on the right hand side, slide that retaining piece in there. That leaves one more retaining piece on the left hand side, and that goes in after the door. The door's got a peg at the top and the bottom. You put the bottom peg into the hole. So having put the pins into the recesses top and bottom for the hinge, the final piece to go on for the construction is this on the left hand side at the top. That's now firm and the door can be opened, and we'll look at some other inputs inside in a moment. The last thing for the top is the roof. That has a slot at the middle part of the roof, and that goes just over the two side pieces. They drop down together like that. So the final piece is to put the stairs inside. That's marked top, goes up into the slot, locks into a groove there, and then that's it. Thereafter, it's down to your imagination to put all the furniture inside and the little people.